G-RAID storage system 4 TB. G-Technology G-RAID storage system 4 TB high-performance dual external hard drive with USB, Firewire 400, Firewire 800 interfaces and RAID 0. USB and Firewire ports for flexible, high-speed data transfer, RAID 0 for maximum performance, supports multi-stream HDV, HD, XDCAM HD and ProRes 422 workflows, plug-and-play setup on macOS, up to 8 TB storage capacity. G-RAID dual drive, professional RAID 0 storage solution with high-speed USB and Firewire interfaces, designed for professional content creation applications. G-RAID supports simultaneous playback of multiple layers of HDV/Pro HD ProRes 422 HQ with the leading video editing applications, including Apple Final Cut Pro, Avid Media Composer and Adobe Premiere, an all-aluminum enclosure, soft power switch unquiet smart fan round-out. G-RAID's professional feature set. Product specifications. Interface 1. USB 1. eSATA cable 2. Firewire registered 800. Drive speed 7200 RPM. Class. Transfer rate up to 250 MB per second. Compatibility Mac OS 10.6 Plus, Windows 10, 8, 7 and Vista. Dimensions 9.25 inches by 5.12 inches by 2.87 inches, 235 by 130 by 73 millimeters. Kit contents: G-RAID dual drive storage system, universal AC power supply, 1 USB cable, 1 Firewire registered cable, FW800, 1 eSATA cable, quick start guide, 3-year limited warranty. Professional high-performance dual drive storage system. G-RAID is a dual drive, professional RAID 0 storage solution with high-speed USB and Firewire interfaces, designed for professional content creation applications. G-RAID supports simultaneous playback of multiple layers of HDV/Pro HD ProRes 422 HQ with the leading video editing applications, including Apple Final Cut Pro, Avid Media Composer and Adobe Premiere, an all-aluminum enclosure, soft power switch unquiet smart fan round-out. G-RAID's professional feature set. Easy to set up. G-RAID is ready right out of the box for use with Mac OS X systems and appears to the system as a single, big on fast disk drive. G-RAID also supports Windows systems with a simple reformat. G-Technology's G-RAID removable drive storage system is a 2-bay attached storage device intended for media professionals that want a large capacity at a lower cost for low-demanding use cases. The G-RAID would be appropriate for high-definition streaming, photo editing, or just straightforward storage. G-Technology loads the G-RAID with 2 of its standard 7200 RPM XDCAM 3 HDDs with total capacity options of 4 TB. This storage solution, which is compatible with both Mac and Windows workstations, offers varied interfaces, USB 2.0, Firewire, and eSATA, to appeal to a broad range of users as well as provide compatibility with older devices. It reportedly achieves transfer speeds of up to 230 MB per second, 4 TB, RAID 0. Design and build. The G-RAID chassis pairs perfectly with a Mac-oriented workstation, although it would look fine with a Windows setup as well. It has a simple aluminum enclosure with a rectangular shape overall and branding along almost every surface. The face is a vented door that is hinged along the bottom, allowing it to open downwards, exposing the 2 bays. Depression of the branded ejection button causes the vented bay face to swivel outward, retracting the drive. We recently implemented a new test suite for storage devices, which runs under Snow Leopard instead of Leopard. We also added more RAM to our Mac Pro test machine, doubled the file size to our Photoshop test, and added an assistant test. After running these tests on the G-RAID 4 TB, the device started performing the way it ought to have all along. Copying a 1 GB file through USB took only 53 seconds and duplicating it took 1 minute, 14 seconds. On our eSATA connection, copying a file took 27 seconds, while duplicating took 47 seconds. Our low-grade Photoshop test, now with a 300 MB file, took 38 seconds with a FireWire 400, 47 seconds with a FireWire 800, and 38 seconds with an eSATA connection. Compared to the EZ-Quest Thunder Pro AV, the G-Raid still managed to hold its own with these new configurations. When it came to copying a 1 GB file through USB and duplicating a file through eSATA, the EZ-Quest Thunder was a few seconds faster. However, the G-Raid finished quicker when it executed the Photoshop test on both connection cables and when copying a 1 GB file via eSATA cable.